In this video, we'll show you how to change the rear ABS sensor on your Chevy Silverado. You can find it on CarParts.com via the link in the description. For safety reasons, we strongly suggest watching our video on how to jack your Chevy Silverado safely. The ABS sensor is located behind the rear brake backing plate. The components to be removed are very often seized up, so don't hesitate to brush and to use penetrating oil to make removal easier. Using a ratchet and a Torx T30 socket, unscrew the ABS sensor's retaining bolt. Then, remove the sensor by jiggling it back and forth. Using a fork, unclip the ABS sensor cable retaining clip located on the rear axle. Then, unclip the one located on the chassis. Hey, it's Alex from CarParts.com. For great content, our best price, and fast shipping, download the CarParts.com app now. Disconnect the connector by pressing on the plastic tab and pulling it. Unclip the last retaining clip. You can now remove the cable. You can order the ABS sensor used in the video on CarParts.com via the link in the description. Take the new sensor. Reclip the connector onto its support. Reconnect the connector. Then, reclip all the ABS sensor cable retaining clips. Before installing the ABS sensor, we recommend that you thoroughly clean its location using a wire brush. Insert the sensor into its housing. Then, retighten the retaining bolt. Finish tightening using a torque wrench. Then you will be able to put the wheel back on your vehicle. Put the car back on the ground and block the wheel properly. Operation complete.
Quality parts, priced right, CarParts.com.